Make some chili cornbread casserole. So here we go. 2 pounds of ground beef and 3 cans of chili beans. I use 2 light, 1 dark. And 1 cup of beef stock. This is cooking with Mark, by the way. 1 cup of beef stock. Okay, we're going to stir that up. Okay, we got it all stirred up there. Using the pressure lid attachment. This is a Ninja Foodi, by the way. So we're going to use the pressure lid. Put that on. We're going to turn it on. And we're going to turn it on high. There we go. We got it now. I had to adjust the lid. But we put it on high. We're going to set it for 15 minutes. And we're going to pressure cook this for 15 minutes. Hit start. And we can just walk away, let it go. Let it pressure cook for 15 minutes. You can let it cool naturally, or you can go ahead and quick release steam it. We're probably going to let it cool natural. Now is, you see this light going around in circles. What it's doing is it's heating up. So it's heating up once it actually reaches the pressure cook. And it's not abnormal to see a little bit of steam coming out of this valve right here. But as soon as it reaches the right pressure, this is going to pop up. This will be in the right position. It'll start a 15-minute countdown. And then it'll go into a warming mode. At that point, we'll just hit the power. We'll kill it, turn it off. We'll just let it set for a little while. Like I said, if you're in a hurry, you can manually release the steam, or you can just let it cool down on its own. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. Anyway, what this is called a Ninja Foodi. And what it is, it's a pressure cooker air fryer. And I love both pressure cooking and air frying. So I'm giving this a shot. I already took my pressure cooker downstairs, hoping to retire, having multiple stuff sitting on the counter here, and that I'm able to have just one item and do everything I need to do. Pressure lid removes. You can store it. This is kind of strange. The air fryer, air crisp they call it, lid stays attached. So it's attached. This is a very heavy unit. I guess if you had kids, I'd be worried about a child maybe grabbing hold of this and trying to pull it on top themselves. But be a parent and pay attention and don't let that happen. Anyway, accidents do happen. I get it, but yeah, the lid's attached, doesn't come off, so you have to keep that in mind. So we're doing beef chili cornbread casserole, and we'll continue here in a little bit. To my beef chili cornbread casserole, what we're going to do next is I got one green pepper chopped up here and 1 onion chopped up. We're going to add that to the Ninja Foodi. I keep wanting to say Instapot and air fryer Ninja Foodi. Ninja Foodi. We added the green pepper and the onion, like I said. Stir that in there. Looking pretty good so far. Now that we have that stirred in. Sorry about the camera there if I'm making you whatever sick. But anyway, green pepper and onion stirred in. Now we're going to turn this on again. But what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on saute. Saute. And we're going to put it on medium. What do I want here? Oh, I'm sorry, temp buttons here. So medium, MD, medium, not medical doctor. Stands for medium, not medical doctor. Okay, saute, medical doctor, medium, medium. And then we're gonna turn the time. We're not gonna even turn the timer on here. Let me see, temp, medium, start. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cook this for a little while until we get the green peppers and stuff softened up. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Okay, stirring it occasionally. See that? This is not me inventing anything. This is actually straight out of the cookbook. Straight out of a cookbook for the this thing, this Ninja Foodi. This is the first thing I actually cooked in it. So this is right in their cookbook. I'm not reinventing the wheel. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to make cornbread for on top of this. So in the cornbread we have a cup, 1 cup and a quarter of flour. 1 cup, 1/4 of flour, 1/4 of sugar. Bleep, right in there. Okay. 1/4 cup of cornmeal. They're corn, it's a corn like biscuit topping for the chili. So 1/4 cup of cornmeal. Okay. 1 egg. One egg. Okay. There we go. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1. 2. 1 cup of whole milk. And we're going to add a 1/4 cup of canola oil. So we got 1 1/4 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 whole cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of canola oil. That's what's in there for the cornbread topping. And they're going to be cheddar cornbread biscuits, so we put in 1 cup of cheese, 1 cup of finely shredded cheddar. We're going to mix this all up. Back to our chili. Cooking on medium. We're going to add some salt. I'd say about a teaspoon or whatever you're liking. We're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder. And we're going to go ahead and turn this off. So we're going to hit the power off. And we're going to add the teaspoon salt, garlic powder, onion powder. Bloop. Throw that in there. And we're going to stir this all around. Like I said, I've already turned it off. Stir this all around. It's off. We're going to be putting our cornbread topping on here in a second. Sorry about my camera skills. Kind of suck today. Alright, this is my cornbread batter. This is my chili. This is the Ninja Foodi. So what we're going to do is we're going to evenly put dollops. I think that's how you say it. But we're going to evenly put scoops of cornbread mix over the top of this. As even as I could figure it out to put it in there. So that's the cornbread mix. I'm going to close. This is the air crisp lid. It's already attached. You can't take it off. It stays attached. Normally you would store it like this on your counter. You would get your pressure lid out and put it on your pressure cook. We already did the pressure cooking part on this cornbread chili. Now we're going to do the bacon part. You want to turn the power on. Then we're going to go to bake roast. Okay. So we're going to do the bake roast. We're going to do it. The temperature is going to be 360. And we're going to do it for 26 minutes. 26 minutes, bake roast, 360. Hit start. See you in 26 minutes. After you cook this for a while, this is the cornbread stuff. You can actually pop the lid up here. It doesn't, so you just pop it up like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to check our cornbread. I know it looks a little, you may think it looks a little rough, but it looks exactly like the picture. So what we're doing, we're checking our cornbread for doneness. Checking the toothpick. Seeing how clean it is. Looks pretty done, honestly. So I'll tell you what, we're going to let it go another couple minutes. And then we're going to put some Tex-Mex cheese on it. Let it go for about a few more minutes till that's all melted. Then we're going to eat it. We're going to eat it. Eat it. Yes. Alright. Cooking with Mark Ninja Foodi. beef chili cornbread casserole. I know as you look at this, you think, well, that looks dark and maybe burnt, but it's not. I just tasted it. It actually tastes like chili with cornbread. I just took a little nibble off the top. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw some cheese on there. Mexican 4-cheese blend. Throw that on the top till it's melted. And it's going to be ready to eat. There it is. Beef, chili, cornbread, casserole, and the Ninja Foodi straight out of their cookbook. First thing I cooked in it. Cooking with Mark. I like meat. And this has 2 pounds of beef in it. Speaking of meat. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed my video. I'm going to start cooking some more stuff here. I'm trying to be a little more healthier. I'd like to lose some weight before summer. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.